Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. Today is day 11 of my 25 days of Christmas. And as you see, I do have a mold of the ornament again. My idea is, I love candy canes. I just like that look. So my idea is that I'm going to take this Elmer's glue in a very vivid glitter red and make stripes, and then after that's dry I'm going to make my resin, and I'm thinking that I'm going to put glitter, the white glitter, this glitter in it. That way it all would be glitter, but it all wouldn't be glitter glue. And I probably would still have to top coat it. I don't know for sure. I'm going to make my lines and let that dry, and then I'm going to mix up my resin and decide if I want to put the glitter in it or if I want to do the white mica powder. I'm going to go ahead and start with my stripes now so that they can dry, and then I can get to putting the resin in. I'm going to start here and try my best to do a diagonal. It is not perfect, but I think that'll be okay. I would try to actually put some more glitter on top of this to make it stand out more. But if I do that, then it's going to get in the mold and I'll have to wipe it off, and I just don't want to have to try to do that. I'm going to put one right here, if I can get it to come out. Oh, those are not straight, but that's okay. I'm not a machine. I'm doing the best I can. I will, however, try to straighten it up a little bit more after I get them in here. I don't know if I can or not, but I'm going to try. Alright, I'm going to get a toothpick and try to straighten those out some. That doesn't seem to be helping. I think that one looks a little bit better. Oh. Sorry. Well, I really don't know if this helped any, but I'm going to leave it like this and let it dry, and then I will put my resin in it. It's okay. I mean, it don't have to be perfect, you know? This is just supposed to be for fun anyway. Okay, y'all. I'm having to rush this because I'm running out of time for today. Oh, that's not too bad. A little overspill right there. That's kind of cute. Don't know what happened to my glitter glue right there. It's got holes in it. That ain't normal. But anyway, I can put a top coat on this and it will be just fine. I think it's cute. I thought about going this way too with the stripes, but nah, that kind of wouldn't have looked like a candy cane. What do y'all think? Is it cute? I think it's cute. But I hope y'all like it. I mean, you know, it's not too bad. And right there, my resin run under. Oh, that's what happened. The resin run under the glue, y'all. That is kinda odd. It didn't do that in the last thing that I used the glue in. That's odd. I definitely can put a top coat on it and it should look good-ish. I don't know. I might put something else on it. Anyway, that's all I got for y'all on this one. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about it. And if you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate if you would do that today. Anyway, that's it for today. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.